So I'm in the mood for pizza tonight, and I want to cut back on calories, so I thought I'd make pizza at home using a flatbread, which is made out of flax, oat bran, and whole wheat. So while this is getting started here, getting put together, I have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in some sauce. And make sure to cover the whole piece of flatbread with a nice even coat. Now that my sauce is nicely spread out, I'm going to add some freeze-dried basil to give it some extra flavor because I love basil very much. I wanted to get fresh, but they didn't have any at the store I went to, so I picked this up instead. Now that I've added my basil, I'm going to go ahead and add some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I love cheese, so I'm not going to be shy with this. Now that I've added my cheese, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some toppings. In my case, I'm just going to use some pepperonis, but you can use whatever you want. Now that my toppings have been added, I'm going to go ahead and stick my pizza in the oven, probably about 10 minutes or so. It'd be done as soon as the cheese is perfectly melted. My pizza is done and it looks and smells delicious.